Here, I'd like to give you a few animal spirits and how they can help you in different kinds of situations in your lives. The picture of a kangaroo, if you're going to place on the walls of your rooms, it would help you to break through from the financial failures. Suppose you have done some business and you have gone through a very bad patch and you have not earned money, you have only made losses and you do not know how to break through, the picture of the kangaroo is going to help you in breakthrough and get better directions to start some other work and help yourself to establish in business. The picture of a tortoise will help you find some solution. It will help you to grow in your business and be slow, yet take a proper decision so that you do not regret on your solution about the business, what business you would like to do and how would you like to multiply the money that comes in and how would you progress in your venture. Then we have the dragon. Place the picture of a dragon in your room. Watch it frequently. You may also use this picture to be placed on the wallpaper of your phone, and it would remove the obstacles that are coming in the way of your business progress. You may chant it, you may place it on the wall as a picture, or you may also write the name of that on your left arm and feel the energy of the dragon, and that would help you to remove all kinds of obstacles that are coming in your business and help you in the progressive direction to improve your business to a great level. You may place the picture of a crane on the wall or on the wallpaper of your phone, and it would help you get back the money which you would have invested or given to somebody to help, or you want it back from them. You need to have the mindset, instead of blaming them, instead of cursing them in any way, try to watch this picture and try to believe that this animal spirit, the animal energy is going to help you to get back the money that you would have given comfortably. The next picture would be of a whale. It is concerned with the teaching you the lessons if you have failed in any past jobs that you would have done and lost money in it. You need to learn the lesson why you have lost the money in the particular business. It would teach you a lesson and it would help you move forward in making a better business person and making the business very clean to make you profits and lead a peaceful life with lot of abundance. The 5 animal spirits, out of the 5, you could be using any 3 of them. It can help you in a bigger way. Help yourself and help others also. You may place the picture on the walls. You may chant it about 100 to 500 times daily. You may chant the names over a glass of water. You may write this name of the animal and keep it in your pocket, keep it in your wallet, keep it under the pillow. Any method you could be using, and create the energy for yourself with all the total trust in the animal spirit, and it would do wonderful magic for you in your lives to overcome any kind of issues that you are related to in the money or in the business line that you are doing. Help yourself, help others, be happy and content in your life. Come to a state of mind to live blissfully. Thank you all.